Hi guys, good to see you again. Today you will learn how to make and use the past continuous tense. Let's start with the positive or affirmative form. To make it, we need a subject, for example, I, was or were, and the ing form of a verb, for example, jogging.
I was jogging. You were jogging. He was jogging. She was jogging. It was jogging. We were jogging. You were jogging. They were jogging.
To make the negative form, we need a subject, was or were, not, and the ing form of a verb.
I was not singing. You were not singing. He was not singing. She was not singing. It was not singing. We were not singing. You were not singing. They were not singing.
To make questions, we need was or were, a subject, and the ing form of a verb.
Was I snoring? Were you snoring? Was he snoring? Was she snoring? Was it snoring? Were we snoring? Were you snoring? Were they snoring?
And to make WH questions, we start questions with question words such as who or why.
Why was I sleeping? What were you eating? Who was she shouting at? Where was she swimming? Why was it crying? What were we watching? Who were you shopping with? Why were they sitting here?
And now let's move on to how to use the past continuous tense. We use it to talk about an action that was interrupted by another action.
I was sleeping when the baby started crying. He was riding his bike when he fell down. We were watching TV when it switched itself off.
We use it to talk about an action that happened before and after another action.
She was reading a book when she heard the dog. I met Mike when I was walking. He jumped over the fence when he was running away from the FBI agents.
We also use past continuous to emphasize that something continued for some time. In this case, we can use it with expressions like all day or all evening.
She was studying all day. The baby was crying all evening. It was snowing yesterday.
Let's move on to the exercise. Watch this playlist if you want to learn more about past tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!